good morning class. Before we start our discussion, can someone tell me what are the animals we talked about last meeting? Yes, Cyrus? Very good, dog. A dog is a pet that barks and loves to play. Very good. How about you, Andrea? Cat? Very good. Great job. Yes, Miguel? Fish. Very good. So, yun yung mga animals na napag-aralan natin last meeting. So, ngayon, meron akong picture dito. And itatry natin kung familiar ba kayo sa mga animals na to. So, can someone tell me the name of this animal? Yes, Bea. Cat. Very good. Cat ba to, class? Cat? Is this a cat? Very good. How about this one? Aaron? Bird. Bird ba to? Agree ba kayo na bird to, sabi ni Aaron? Yes, very good. It is a bird. And how about this one? Yes, Micah? A fish. Great job. This is a fish. Very good. Very good. Bigyan natin ng Indonesia clap ang lahat ng sumagot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Okay. So, our topic for today, it's all about the names of more animals, and we will try to construct or to create a simple sentence using their name using these flashcards. Okay, may hinihanda si teacher na flashcard. So, okay, mag-start na tayo sa ating discussion. So, this is goat. A goat is a farm animal that gets grass and gives milk. Okay, repeat after me. Ano to? Okay, very good, goat. Ang goat daw ay isang farm animals at nagbibigay ito sa atin ng gatas. Okay. Kambing. Very good. Ang Tagalog ng goat ay kambing. Tama. Ang goat din ay kumakain ng damo. Okay? Very good, class. How about this one? Okay. It is a bear. A big animal that eats fish, fruits, and honey. Ang laki niya, di ba? Oh, nakakita na ba kayo neto? Hindi pa. Si teacher din hindi pa nakakakita ng bear. So, ito yung itsura ng bear. Kapag kami nakakita kayo ng ganitong hayop, ibig sabihin, bear yon. Okay? Let's proceed. How about this one? How about this? This is a frog. Okay. Nakakita na daw neto si Kirby. A frog, a small green animal that jumps and cracks. Okay. Takot dito si teacher. Okay. Lahat naman tayo ay familiar sa frog. Okay. Yes. Correct. Palaka. Ang Tagalog ng frog ay palaka. Very good. How about this? Meron namang nakakita sa inyo nito? It is a giraffe. Very good. A giraffe, the tallest animals with a long neck. Mahaba yung leeg niya. Nakikita to makadalasan sa mga zoo. Siguro na sa inyo nakapunta ng Manila Zoo. Marami-rami na rin. So, nakakita na kayo ng giraffe. Okay. Mainam naman. At meron na sa inyo nakakita ng giraffe. How about this? This animal, we call it a snake. Very good. A snake, a long animal with no legs. Diba yung snake, walang legs? Mayroon akong nakakita sa inyo ng snake na may legs. Akala ko may nakakita na eh. So, yung snake, isa siyang animal na walang legs. Very good. Takot dito si Cyrus. Ako din. Kayo din. Lahat na lang tayo takot sa snake. Okay? Next one. Ano to? Tiger? This is not a tiger. This is it is a lion. A wild animal called the king of the jungle. Nangangain ng tao? Siguro nga nangangain siya ng tao. Malaki siya. Diba? Nakakita na ba kayo ng lion? No pa. Si teacher din hindi pa nakakita ng lion. Next. To. The name of this animal is monkey. Okay, say it again. Monkey. Unggoy. Very good, Shaira. Monkey. A playful animal that climbs tree. Diba? Nagpapabitin-bitin siya sa mga puno. Oo. Yun ay monkey. Sa Tagalog ay unggoy. How about this? Tilapia. No? It is a fish. Very good. This is a fish. A fish, an animal that swims in water. Diba? Sino na sa inyo nakakita ng fish or ng isda? Saan sila nabubuhay? Sa water. Very good. Next. Ano to? It is an elephant. An elephant, the largest land animals with a trunk. Laki laki nung sa ilong niya. Nakikita na ba kayo ng elephant? Hindi pa. Ako din, hindi pa. So, ito yung itsura ng elephant. For the last animal, ito. Yes, Shaira. Ito yung tiger. A big cat with orange and black stripe. Ang itsura daw ng tiger, eto, nakikita nyo to? Orange siya na merong black na stripe. Yan. Ito siya. Para siyang big cat. Very good. So, that's all the animals that we will learn today. So today, I prepare a simple game. And the name of this game is Name and Describe. Ano nga ulit yung title ng laro natin? Very good. Name and Describe. So, magpapakita si teacher ng flashcard and then sasabihin niya yung name ng animal na nasa flashcard and i-describe natin siya. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, number 1. It is okay, Bea? A bear. Tama ba si Bea? Very good. It is a bear. Okay? Very good. A bear is a big animal. Very good, Bea. Oh, may additional si Cyrus. Oh, very good, Cyrus. A bear eats fish, honey, and fruits. Very good, Cyrus. Next. This one. Precious. A tiger. Tama ba si Precious? Very good. Describe it, Precious. A big cat with an orange and black stripe. Tama ba si Precious? Very good. Palakpakan natin si Precious. Okay. Next. Ano to? Ano tong hayop? Ano yung name ng animal na to? Okay, Jazz? An elephant. Tama ba si Jazz? Elephant ba to? Very good. Describe it, Jazz. Great job. An elephant is the largest animal in the land with a trunk. Very good. This one. Yes, Justin. This. Look. Great job. It is a fish. Okay. Bravos, Justin. A fish is an animal that swims in water. Very good. So, halata naman na naintindihan nyo ang tinalakay natin ngayong araw. So, magaling. Bigyan natin ng 10 palakpak ang bawat isa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So, ngayon, meron kayong activity. This is your activity. Sentence making. Write one simple sentence for each animal. Sabay-sabay natin basahin. Number 1, dog. 2, bird. 3, monkey. 4, pig. And number 5, giraffe. Okay? I will give you 10 minutes to do this activity. Okay, in a one whole sheet of paper. Okay? You may start. Okay, time's up. Pass your paper. Okay, forward. Dahan-dahan. Okay. So, marami bang natutunan ng mga estudyante ko ngayong araw? Sige nga, kung marami kayong natutunan, patungkol saan yung nilesson natin or yung diniscuss natin ngayong araw? Okay, Sean. Very good. Names of animals and their description. Very good. So, can someone tell me yung name ng mga animals na tinalakay natin today? Okay. Very good. Elephant. Next. Very good. Giraffe. Next. Ano yun, anak? Okay, fish. How about you, Jared? Ano yon? Bakit nahihiya si Jared? Tiger. Tama ba si Jared? Okay. Bigyan nga natin ng 5 palakpak si Jared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So, ilan lamang yon sa mga animals na makikita natin sa environment natin. So, napakarami pa. At tatalakayin natin yon sa mga susunod na discussion. So, ngayon, bago tayo magtapos for your assignment, draw your favorite animal. Oh, draw your favorite animal. Ano ba yung favorite mong animal? Cyrus. Cat. Si Cyrus, idodraw niya yung cat. Ako, ang favorite kong animal, same kami ni Cyrus, cat. Draw your favorite animal in your notebook and write 2 sentences about it. Idodraw nyo yung favorite nyong animal, then mag-write kayo ng magsusulat kayo ng 2 sentences na magde-describe doon sa favorite nyong animal. So, example, magdodrawing si teacher ng rabbit. This is a rabbit. Isang sentence na yon. And for the second sentence, the rabbit hopes. Nakukuha ba? Okay, very good. So, that's all. Goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye and thank you.